MetamorphoSys. Create a SNOMED CT-only subset. In this quick tour, we will create a SNOMED CT-only subset. To start creating a SNOMED CT-only subset, click Install UMLS. On the Install UMLS screen, the source indicates the directory where the UMLS files reside. In this example, the files reside on the UMLS DVD in the D drive. The destination indicates the directory where the UMLS subset will be installed. Click Browse to select a destination directory. Click Open when done. The UMLS consists of three knowledge sources: the Metathesaurus, the semantic network, and the specialist lexicon and lexical tools. The default settings include all three knowledge sources. However, we will only be creating a Metathesaurus subset in this example and do not need to install the other two knowledge sources. Uncheck the boxes for semantic network and specialist lexicon and lexical tools. Now click OK to begin configuring your subset. You will be prompted to choose a MetamorphoSys configuration. You can either create a new configuration or open a previously saved configuration. Clicking Cancel will bring you back to the MetamorphoSys welcome screen. To create a new SNOMED CT-only subset, click New Configuration. The license agreement notice explains that the Metathesaurus contains source vocabularies produced by many different copyright holders. Some of the vocabularies have additional restrictions on their usage. Read the license agreement notice and click Accept to continue. MetamorphoSys will prompt you to select a default subset. You can either select Level 0, which includes sources that have no additional restrictions in the UMLS Metathesaurus license agreement, or you can select Level 0 plus SNOMED CT, which includes sources that have no additional restrictions in the UMLS Metathesaurus license agreement plus SNOMED CT. For this example, we will select Level 0 plus SNOMED CT. Click OK when done. Click the Source List tab to limit sources to SNOMED CT only. Click Select Sources to Include in Subset. Scroll down to SNOMED Clinical Terms. Some sources have other related sources, such as translations or mappings, which might be useful to include in a subset. These sources are said to be in the same source family. You can either select the related sources you want to include and click OK, or click Cancel if you do not want to include any additional sources. For this example, we will choose to also include the Spanish language edition of SNOMED CT. Click OK. To complete your subset, select Begin Subset from the Done menu. After your subset completes processing, you will have a dataset that includes only the SNOMED CT vocabulary and its Spanish language edition. For more information about the UMLS, go to UMLS New Users homepage or UMLS website.